Welcome to the magical season, YouTube family. Step into my family room and be transported into a storybook whimsical winter wonderland. I start with these enchanting snow-flocked branches that glitter and whisper of frost-kissed mornings. I arrange them to spill over and cascade as though the weight of a fresh snowfall has bowed them into a graceful winter curve. Then, for a touch of warmth and a little magic, I weave in the golden pine cones. Their shimmer catches the light, adding quiet beauty and a gentle glow to the wintry arrangement. It's a soft story of contrast, snow and gold, calm and sparkle, coming together in a moment of quiet winter wonder. And here she is, Her Majesty, the Queen of Trees, glowing in her ethereal splendor, twinkling softly from every angle. Before she receives her winter cloak, can you guess what this mysterious cloud of fluff is? This, my friends, is the secret to her snowy enchantment. Spoiler! These are microfiber duster heads. Who knew a cleaning tool could become a little piece of winter magic? I start shaping the soft perimeter of the tree, building little pockets of winter magic branch by branch. Of course, Flora has decided she would like to help, or perhaps audition to become the fluffiest ornament of them all. Sorry, little angel, but your place is not in the tree. I tuck each snow fluff gently along the branches, one after another, creating soft, snowy layers that wrap around the tree in a circular pattern, while filling in gaps or unsightly spots that a touch of snow can disguise. Woven together, the fluffs drape the tree in a cozy blanket of snow, as if kissed by a gentle winter storm. A strand of Swarovski captures the splendor of starlight in the glimmer of glass. I start at the very top, letting the crystals glide from branch to branch, falling in gentle waves. Each swoop catches the light, creating soft cascades that ripple down the tree, a little like moonlit snow drifting in slow motion. From tip to base, the crystals weave a shimmering path, adding movement, sparkle, and a quiet whisper of winter magic. And now a new chapter begins. Our little cast of characters has been waiting patiently behind the scenes. And leading the parade are Sprinkles and Chef Dion, the sweetest duo in the winter tale. With a little tango spirit and a lot of charm, they dance their way over. Sprinkles dons her donut dress, while Chef Dion proudly carries the matching treat in hand. Next to join the celebration are Monsieur Chardonnay and Madame Froufrou. Monsieur Chardonnay, ever the gentleman, arrives with his bottle of wine and gleaming glass in hand, while Madame Froufrou floats in beside him, dressed in her feathered finery, absolutely ready to party. And now for our most delightful gourmands, Monsieur Brie, whose overindulgence made him sleepy, and Mr. Gingerbread clutching an irresistible cookie. With perfect poise, Ballerina Clara pirouettes to the celebration, settling into her spot on the tree, delicate as a snowflake. Sparkles the unicorn gallops in a dazzling burst of stardust. Beneath the tree, toy-like Louis slumbers sweetly, blissfully unaware of all commotion. One by one, the mice step into their story, settling into the branches like tiny stars of their own Christmas tale. A quick intermission, because dogs never let you forget that there's always time for play. A cascade of crystal chandelier ornaments cast the final magic spell over this whimsical masterpiece. With a touch of gold, a dash of imagination, and a pinch of magic, a nostalgic Christmas village emerges from its snowy nest, settling into a winter dreamscape. For the finale, a warm cup of cocoa made to be savored together in the magical glow of our little wonderland. And showered by the love of two pups who always know how to steal the moment, this is the real treat. For even more holiday enchantment, revisit last year's Victorian Blue Christmas and stay tuned as we soon unveil the grand living room, kitchen, and hallway dressed in their festive best. From our family to yours, Merry Christmas and the most cherished and joyous of holidays.